Vivo launched its new camera-centric phones under X series in India called Vivo X300, with built-in AI features. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo X300 features a 6.31-inch 1.5K resolution 8T LTPO AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, paired with Mali G1 Ultra MC12 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB or 512 GB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo X300 sports a Zeiss-powered triple-camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 200-megapixel main camera with Samsung's HPB sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 50-megapixel telephoto lens, with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 119-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 6040 mAh battery, with 90 watts wired fast charging support, and 40 watts wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16 out of the box, with Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 150.57 by 71.92 by 7.95 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo X300 has been priced in India for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 75,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage model is priced at 81,999 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 16GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 85,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Elite Black, Mist Blue, and Summit Red color options. And it is set to go on sale starting from December 10th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo X300 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.